sometimes you might. Don't let your dogs mess up your grass. We can help you prevent dog spots. Dr. Eliane Amstalden from Belvedere Veterinary Center is joining us this morning to tell us how to do that. And it's been quite the topic around here, so I think some of our pet owners are going through it. Is there a way to avoid this?
Well, there could be a few reasons why it happens.
Okay.
And so the number one thing that causes the dog's urine to stain the grass is the alkalinity or the acidity, the pH of the urine.
So it's not just the urine. I mean, it's not just all dogs will cause that. Okay.
Not at all. And I think also because it's been so dry outside and the grass has already been kind of suffering with lack of water, the change in the acidity in the dog's urine on the grass is also causing it to stain even more and kill the grass.
And what causes that alkaline in the dogs? Because we have one pet owner who says her bigger dog does it, her smaller dog does not.
Correct. So it could be the diet. Everybody and every dog, they metabolize their food differently and they take those minerals differently. So sometimes if they metabolize the certain minerals that would make their urine more acidic or more basic, then it will cause the change in the grass. Another thing that could be causing it is a urinary tract infection. So you should always get their urine checked and make sure that there's no medical condition that's predisposing them to having this happen.
So then what's the answer for preventing it? Just changing up the diet to see?
It could be diet related, or there are certain vitamins that you can give your dogs that will change the pH of their urine.
Okay, that was another question, because there are supplements out there. We were wondering how safe those are. Do those really work? But you're saying yes.
Yes, they are out there. And safety-wise, I don't think there are any contraindications to them. But again, I would make sure that you're monitoring the urine samples with a veterinarian and making sure everything is staying normal.
And maybe you just need to take them. I mean, if it's going to happen, you might need to just get used to a part of your yard looking like that.
Try to train them to go in a certain corner, and that's where they're going to go.
Now, how easy is that to train them to go in a specific area of a yard?
It depends on the dog. So this one, probably not so easy. That one, maybe a little easier.
Yeah?
It depends on the dog.
I can't get my dogs go everywhere, but fortunately, I guess we don't have that issue with them, so that's good.
Right.
They also have those products you can buy that you don't feed them to the dog. You just go and put them on the lawn. So is that your last resort?
Probably. I'm sure you could give your grass vitamins and nutrients, and you probably better off speaking to a gardener or a landscaper in regards to that.
Spray paint.
Green
Nothing,
magic
nothing else
marker.
works. All right, we're going to get you to stick around. Dr. Amstalden is going to answer any questions you might have about your pet. That's going to come up in our next half hour. So if you do have some questions, send us a tweet at Fox Baltimore or post your comments on our Facebook page. Coming up, do you have a cold? The true fruits that can help you stifle the sniffles.